This is what I ended up grabbing at Target. My daughter picked these out. They were $3 and they are so sweet. I ended up grabbing 3 pairs of socks. I'm not sure for exactly who. I think I'll keep one of these pair, but we'll figure that out. I grabbed a cute little tea towel for the kitchen. That was $3 with the oven mitt. I enjoy doing fun lunches for my children, and I've been making a small effort to make Fridays extra special. So, you know what, I think I'll do a little video on it. And then I grabbed some spinach wraps. They are cheaper at Aldi's, but they often are sold out at my Aldi's. So I just bought them at Target while we were there. I grabbed some organic chocolate chips for our hot chocolate recipe. I grabbed these for my husband. This was actually 25% off with Cartwheel. I got a few dollars off, so that is for my husband, his favorite chocolates. I wanted some smaller cookie cutters for this year, Christmas themed, of course. We have someone in our family who loves caramel corn, popcorn, and I saw this, and it's cinnamon pecan, but I thought I'd grab it as a little gift. If I see something else that I think they would like better, then my husband and kids can enjoy that. I'm not sure, we'll see. And I also grabbed these for the Christmas season. I'm going to open them up and see what the packaging is like. I was thinking to maybe put these in a cute little jar and keep them on the counter, but I thought they looked really good, and we will share them with family as well. We might be having family come over for Christmas Eve. If we don't, I will take a few with us for the kiddos. This was $4.99 for the whole bag, and you get a lot. So if you have multiple children that you shop for, or if you have quite a few kids in your household, or I don't know, maybe all the grandkids come over to your house, you know, this is quite a bit of lollipops. You get a really good amount for just $5, and you could put just maybe 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 in everybody's stocking. But that is everything that we bought at Target today.